If they won't fund our schools, we'll build our own. Public education is under attack. Budgets are being slashed. Vouchers are funneling money away from our classrooms. In North Carolina, Governor Cooper has declared a state of emergency for public education. But from the ashes of a broken system, something new is rising: community-led education. Across the country, micro schools and learning pods are replacing outdated models. And they need culturally rooted, real-world curriculum created by people like you. This free live info session introduces the Community Educators Program, a 3-month cohort for creatives, cultural leaders, and professionals ready to transform their lived experience and intellectual property into powerful, sellable online curriculum for the future of education. In this 45-minute session, you'll learn why now is the moment to enter the booming micro school market, how to turn your story, skills, or cultural wisdom into curriculum, even if you've never taught before, the full breakdown of the Community Educators Cohort experience, how we sell your curriculum to micro schools, you don't have to teach it, how to join the movement and get paid for your knowledge.
Micro schools foster close-knit communities, allowing for meaningful relationships between teachers and students. This setup encourages collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Parents love the flexibility and focus on holistic development, while students thrive in a supportive atmosphere. As the education landscape evolves, micro schools led by seasoned professionals are paving the way for a brighter, more personalized future in learning. Isn't it time to rethink how education is delivered?